Lots of medical research and surveys have gone for keto diet and its effects on fat loss and weight loss. Mentioned below are some reasons why keto diet is the ultimate solution for fat loss in the body. It helps in accelerating the process of fat burning. It has been already mentioned that insulin is the main enemy of fat loss. When levels of insulin are high in the blood, fat burning is reduced in the body. Energy is also shuttled into the bloodstream in the fat cells. When a person is on a keto diet, the levels of insulin in the blood drop. The process of fat burning is accelerated with this, and there are also many health benefits associated with the same. Easy to follow and simple keto diet. Dieting makes one happy, and keto diet definitely does the same. This is because this diet is simple to follow and interesting at the same time. After all, this diet is all about losing stubborn body fat while being able to eat all your favorite foods and not giving up on various kinds of tasty, high-fat foods like eggs, cheese, bacon, steak, etc. Hunger cravings are almost eliminated. Most of the diets that are recommended by experts for losing fat will keep you hungry. And it is true that hunger is a force, which is simply irresistible, particularly for them who love eating. Hunger overpowers willpower at some point of time or other. Food cravings are so strong during dieting that there are high chances of regaining the lost weight by eating. Sometimes extra weight is also gained. When one is on a keto diet, hunger is brought to a dead end. In fact, on a keto diet, you will not feel hungry as well. There is no need to exercise to get benefits from keto diet. When you are on a keto diet, you do not need to exercise or work out for losing the stubborn fat. By following a keto diet, your energy levels are boosted considerably after around 1 week of following the diet. You will become more and more active, and this might be a major cause of motivation. So you will end up losing fat quickly from the body, whether you exercise or not. The keto diet is absolutely healthy and completely safe. Many people label keto diet to be a fat loss diet. But it is not only restricted to that. This is also a diet which helps in ensuring good health. In fact, this diet is safer and healthier than the diet and food that you eat now generally. There is solid evidence of the fact as well.